Match point. Ace! Game, set, match!
Be serious!
The point is, Max, why you aren't celebrating? Well, a man should acknowledge his losses just as gracefully as he celebrates his victories. Give your old uncle a jig. Arms up in triumph. Try harder, focus. Stand still, Shallion.
Well done, Uncle Henry.
You come to see that a man learns nothing. The act of losing, however, can elicit great wisdom. It's inevitable to lose now and again, not to make a habit of it.
삶에 있어서 돈과 여자가 인생의 전부였던 맥스. 그는 수단과 방법을 가리지 않고 돈을 쓸어 담는 런던 증권가의 펀드 매니저였는데요.
1:15:10, Max. Feels like we should move now.
Not yet, Alf.
Boss, why'd you keep calling me Alf?
Because you're an aggressive little flunky, Kenny. And as your boss and genetic superior, I can call you whatever I want.
1:16.
Right, Labrats, just remember, we're not here for the dental plan.
50 bid, people are buying. Max?
Sell.
Who's over there? Keep selling it! Do you hear that? Sell it, that's yours! Yours! Don't look over it, what you got? What's over there?
Miserable sod Skinner's dumping bonds onto the market.
Well, you can't do that. There's a gentleman's agreement on the exchange.
A gentleman's agreement presupposes there's a gentleman involved.
People, get off your asses!
Come on, step to it! Start selling! Sell!
Make them what go! 3 big figures to 113.50! Still going down.
5.
Fucking buy it all back, Mickey boy! Buy it all back! Immediately buy it all back! You're a genius, Max!
Bugger, he's forced down prices. He's going to buy everything back on the cheap.
Start buying! Start buying!
사고팔고를 반복하며 순식간에 천문학적인 수익을 내게 되고
Wonderful work. We all made a spectacular amount of money. Winning isn't everything.
그의 행동은 시장 질서 교란으로 언론의 질타를 받게 되지만 아무렇지 않다는 듯 이러한 반응에 전혀 개의치 않는 맥스. 어느 날 그는 삼촌의 부고 소식이 담긴 편지의 한 통을 받게 되고 고심에 빠지게 되죠.
Oh, Henry. Bloody hell.
Listen, I just got off the phone with Oze. That's the notaire handling your Uncle Henry's estate.
All right, so what do we do with that? Is there a reading of the will, or do we just download?
There is no legal will.
Really?
You're his closest blood relative, so you get everything.
What, the old farmhouse and the vineyard and the grapes and everything?
Place like that must be worth a few quid these days.
삼촌의 부고 소식보다 자신에게 상속될 재산에 더 관심을 보이는 맥스.
Polyphenolics reveals magnificent hues of brick red, indicative of a mature Bordeaux.
It's a Burgundy.
Thank you.
Charles, can we get our minds off the double frontage with the view and onto the French real estate? What do you think it's worth?
And all you can think of is money.
The very same uncle you're talking about, Charles, is the man who taught me every man needs a fuck you million.
Few departments, aren't we?
그는 친구에게 농장 매각 중개를 부탁하며
I won't cut my commission.
I wouldn't expect you to, Charles. That's why I'm fond of you.
곧 자신에게 상속될 재산을 처분하기 위해 서둘러 프랑스로 향합니다. 그리고 젬마가 예약해둔 차를 타고 삼촌 집으로 향하는데 그렇게 도착한 농장, 익숙한 환경에 삼촌을 불러보지만 반겨주는 사람은 아무도 없었고 그렇게 집과 농장을 둘러보는데 어렸을 적 삼촌과 함께한 흔적 속에서 지난날 아련했던 추억을 떠올리게 되죠. 이때 어렸을 적부터 함께했던 농장 관리인 듀플러와 대면하게 되고
Please come tonight. My wife is roasting a lamb.
To tell the truth, I haven't had much of an appetite since I learned of Henry.
But I attended to things for him, you know. Well, my wife will come in the morning with croissants, okay?
형식적인 인사를 마치며 집에 돌아온 맥스.
Devoting your life to the vines, bottling the truth.
듀플러가 준비한 와인을 시음하는데 오랜 시간이 지나서일까? 어렸을 적 즐겨 마신 와인과는 다른 맛에 실망을 하며 그렇게 첫날 밤을 보내게 되죠. 다음 날 아침부터 전화 한 통을 받는 맥스.
Morning, Gemma.
Into recent Lawton Brothers trade activity.
끔찍한 소식을 듣게 되는데요.
He doesn't think so. Meeting with you today, 5 o'clock this afternoon.
Well, that must be about something else. My time or yours?
젬마의 걱정에도 불구하고 그는 이를 외면하며 법적 상속 절차를 마무리하기 위해 서둘러 공증인을 만나러 가죠.
Yes?
How's the house, Max? Is it gorgeous?
Well, to tell you the truth, Charlie, it's a little bit shabby.
How's the wine?
Bouquet of a wet dog?
And also, I would need a couple of sexy snaps to get the punters clamouring, and I have an email address.
Hold on a second, I'll just put you on speaker. Okay, shoot.
이때 다행히 큰 위기는 모면하지만 나만 아니면 됐지 하는 철저한 자기 중심적 사고로 맥스는 오직 자신의 길만 향합니다. 마침내 공증인과 대면하는데
Hello. Max Skinner. I think I can speed this up. I have no intention of becoming a winemaker.
Let Monsieur Duflo make the wine and you enjoy the estate on the weekends.
농장의 운영을 걱정하는 오즈와는 달리 오로지 돈에만 관심이 있었던 맥스.
I don't do weekends. I intend to sell La Sirocco as soon as possible.
Monsieur et Madame Duflo.
Look, in all cases like this, it simply just comes down to a figure. Well, if there's nothing else, I have a plane to catch.
듀플러 또한 이 소식을 듣게 되며 실망하게 되는데
He meant for you to have it, not sell it. You would take me away from my vines.
My vines, Duflo.
I breathe in them. That are my hands.
I do intend to make you a handsome settlement.
What it is to love something more than your own life. To submit to your days and nights. I have only a few vintages left. Soon my body and spirit will be defeated by the terroir.
Afraid so. Be in touch.
처절한 애원에도 그를 외면하며 서둘러 이곳을 떠나려 하죠.
Leaving now.
Oh, good. Because Sir Nigel has made a special trip, Max. Oh, did you remember to take the photos for Charlie?
Yes?
그렇지만 정신없이 서두르다 보니 사진 찍는 것을 깜빡한 맥스. 촬영하는 과정에서 낯익은 환경을 보게 되자 과거 회상에 잠기는데
Yes?
Get in the car.
Get off my camera!
이 과정에서 그는 실수로 수영장에 빠지게 되고
Where are you, Dawson?
이곳을 빠져나오려 발버둥 치지만 때마침 농장을 지나치는 샤넬, 맥스의 차량을 발견하고 그와 대면하는데
Qu'est-ce que vous faites? Is that your little car?
Yes, I made temporary.
Can you swim?
Oh, yes. But not in a foot of cow shit.
지난날 자신을 위험에 빠뜨리고 어떠한 사과도 없이 달아난 맥스에게 살벌하게 복수하는 여자. 마침내 그는 빠져나오는데 성공하지만 비행기를 놓치게 되고
You better be in prison, Maxie.
설상가상으로 한 주간 정직 처분을 받게 되자
Okay. Ciao.
Bye.
하는 수 없이 며칠간 이곳에 머물며 농장을 좀 더 살펴보기로 합니다. 다음 날 그는 와인의 낮은 품질을 만회하고 농장의 가치를 높이기 위해 허름한 집을 손보기로 결심하며
Duflo. You want to stay with your vines? Fine. Must help me fix the place up. And I, if at all possible,
듀플러의 고용 승계를 조건으로 함께 청소하기로 합니다. 그렇게 온 가족이 동원되어 새롭게 집을 단장하는데 집안 곳곳에 남아있는 어렸을 적 삼촌과의 추억들. 이때
Monsieur Max!
Yes?
There is a person.
I'm Christy Roberts. I'm looking for Mr. Skinner.
뜬금없이
Henry Skinner is my father.
삼촌의 딸이라고 주장하는 한 여자가 사진 한 장만을 가지고 등장합니다.
Is he around?
you see, Christy, Henry,
He's dead, huh?
a month ago.
그렇지만 슬픔도 잠시.
Madame Duflo.
J'arrive!
Well, no, it's more than a wrinkle, Max. What if the girl turns out to be legit?
It's all too sweet, Charlie. I'm not buying.
맥스는 친척의 반가움보다는 유산 상속 문제에 관심을 더 두게 되며 오제에게 법적 자문을 구하는데
Under French law, there is no difference when it comes to the right to inherit.
Yes, yes, yes. But what if I just sell the property before she even makes her claim?
legally she could invalidate the sale even after the transfer of title, to treat her with the utmost respect. And hope she'll be on her way.
그렇게 자문을 마치고 집에 돌아오는 길, 그는 우연히 레스토랑에서 일하는 샤넬을 보며
Joan of Arc? You tried to drown me.
And you tried to run me over with your little car.
What are you talking about? I tried to run you over. What sort of bollocks is that?
And I believe had your head stuck very far up your ass. Look at the damage you have caused me.
이제서야 지난날 그녀의 행동에 대해 이해하게 되죠.
My God.
그렇지만 사과보다는 그녀의 섹시함에 마음을 빼앗기게 되고 듀플러에게서 샤넬에 대해 이야기를 듣게 됩니다.
Francis, I was passing by this
Her
restaurant.
name is Fanny Chenal. But you deserve credit.
Why is that?
You are now the town hero for making her show her derrière.
She grew up around here, didn't she?
I believe, yes.
She otherwise spoken for?
She was once. He treated her very badly, you know. Since then, it's rumored that she will let no man near her heart.
So she's alone then?
Who?
Fanny Chenal.
그날 저녁, 크리스티와 함께할 저녁을 준비하는 맥스. 그는 새로운 와인을 찾던 중 묵혀둔 낡은 와인병을 보며 회상에 잠기게 되죠.
Careful on those steps. What do you see up there?
Feu native yeast in your cellar. Converting the sugar inside the grapes to alcohol.
I must be suffering from dementia. I don't recall ever having told you that.
You didn't. Monsieur Duflo explained it to me.
To watch Duflo on bended knee, doing something as simple as weeding his soil, he brings a magnificent poetry in his devotion to each and every grape. To find devotion in what you do for a living one day.
I want to be a professional poker player when I'm older. Or a comedian.
What is the most important thing in comedy?
What is the most important thing in comedy?
Timing!
Have you tasted Dad's wine?
Oh, yes, indeed. Bloody awful, isn't it? Try that. It's better.
It's extraordinary. Like a Bordeaux, only velvet rather than wool.
다행히도 와인에 대해 만족해하는 크리스티.
Is this made here? Different bottles, same corks. Un petit mystery, n'est-ce pas?
Well, Henry always was a little bit of a mystery.
How so?
He loved England. He lived in France. And he loved women, but never the same one for more than a certain period of time.
I'm gonna go upstairs and finish my book.
그렇게 그녀와 함께한 저녁을 마친 후 샤넬을 보기 위해 레스토랑을 찾는데
I'm so sorry.
정신없이 바쁜 그녀를 보게 되고
I hope your food's wonderful because your service is obviously lousy.
Please, monsieur, I'm too busy to ignore you. Comprends? McDonald's is in Avignon, fish and chips in Marseille.
환심을 사기 위해 발벗고 나서며 그녀를 도와주기 시작하죠.
I would like a salad niçoise with ranch dressing on.
Baby, local ranch.
여자의 염려에도 불구하고 능숙하게 일하는 남자.
McDonald's is in Avignon. Fish and chips, Marseille. Allez.
You people got some serious attitude around here.
Here are your tips. You're fired.
You know, my vigneron said that you grew up around Gore.
Monsieur Duflo is mistaken. I only visited Gore during the summer with my mother.
I wonder if we ever met. Where would a young man, recently cashed up, take someone for a drink?
기회를 틈타 만남을 제안하는데
No, it's more of an apology.
Have a good night.
단숨에 퇴짜를 맞지만 포기하지 않고 마침내
Sunday night, 8 o'clock. Place de l'Étang.
I shall see you there.
그녀에게서 약속을 받아내는데 성공하게 되죠. 다음 날 서재를 정리하던 중 만년필을 발견하자 또다시 회상에 잠기는데
Pay to the order of Francois Huppert, the plumber.
How much?
87 francs.
Sign. Next.
The mechanic.
Not a sou to that grease monkey. Next.
Jean-Pierre Le Sourd.
Okay. You're a genius, Maximilian. You could be me. Ha.
곳곳에 남아있는 아련한 추억을 뒤로한 채 그날 저녁 식사에 초대된 맥스.
I took the liberty of inviting Henry's daughter.
Bonsoir, cuz.
A simple meal after a day's work in the fields. Ludivine, help. Wine, Max. La siroc.
Mais non.
Francis.
Donne-moi ça, papa.
듀플러는 아버지가 가져온 와인을 애써 평가절하하는데요.
C'est le coin perdu. It's a local vin de garage.
Small vineyards, small productions. Seriously, big prices.
It's overrated. Huh? Well, it's time for fromage. Okay?
You want fromage, cheese?
Allez.
그렇게 분위기는 무르익어가고 취기가 오르자
Tell us, Madame Defoe, what is it that makes you so certain she is Henry's child?
The nose.
맥스는 더 이상 참지 못하고 본심을 드러냅니다.
Anything that might help corroborate Christie's claim? Henry ever discuss California?
All I want is to learn about my father. This is my chance to find out who made me and
기분 상한 여자는 술에 취해 먼저 자리를 뜨게 되고
Papa will walk you back.
Vines will guide me. Bonsoir.
맥스의 도움을 받아 집으로 향합니다.
Why can't Henry be my dad? You don't believe me, do you? Ludivine told me that your parents died when you were young. Doesn't it matter to you that I may be the only blood relative you have?
This was my room when I was a little boy. It was the safest place in the world. I loved Henry deeply, but I never got around to telling him. It's a shitty feeling. Those summers saved my life.
다음 날 혹시나 크리스티에게 상속권이 넘어갈까 서둘러 자산을 매각하려는 맥스.
Yes?
I've come to test the vines.
농장의 가치 평가를 위해 양조 감정사가 방문하지만
More like a quarry in a vineyard. Very, very bad. I'm really sorry. Growing potatoes or squash.
기대와는 다르게 최악의 평가를 받게 되자 실망하게 되죠.
Oi! These are Henry's private papers. They're irreplaceable.
Everything I need to know about my dad is right here. No, and if this place meant as much to him as I believe it did, you're worse than I thought for even thinking about selling it.
남자의 탐욕에 실망한 여자는 결국 이곳을 떠나기로 결심하는데 삼촌의 유품을 정리하는 과정에서 그는 크리스티가 가지고 왔던 똑같은 사진을 발견하게 되며 그녀가 헨리의 딸임이 확실해지자 큰 혼란에 빠지게 되죠. 한편 최종 실사를 위해 농장을 방문한 찰리.
This is a disaster. $1 million off our sale price. Oh, Mr. Froggy Wine Man.
턱없이 낮은 감정서를 보며 실망하는데
Plan to, right? Just flog it as fast as we can for as much as we can. And just keep in mind that the vigneron, Duflo, he stays on. He's part of the deal.
그렇게 구체적인 매각 조건이 완성되자
Bottle of pasties.
디프리를 제안하지만 맥스는 그의 제안을 거절하고 샤넬과 만남을 위해 약속 장소로 달려갑니다. 홀로 남겨진 찰리. 만찬을 즐기는데 우연히 크리스티를 보게 되고
I'm Charlie's friend, Max.
I need you to come up here and take a look at my back.
It's sort of the colour of ripe pomegranate.
Look in the medicine cabinet for some aloe.
Of your bum.
한편 샤넬과 첫 데이트를 하는 맥스. 그 둘은 함께 식사를 하며 대화를 나누는데
There's something you should know about me, Max. I'm very, very choosy. Very, very irrational. I'm also extremely jealous and slow to forgive. Just so you know.
I wouldn't go to Rome. Quite overcrowded. Or it's London. Including your own personal tour guide.
Charlie.
Sorry.
이때 갑자기 돌변하는 날씨에 분위기는 반전되고 자연스럽게 마음을 표현하는 남자.
Alone at last. You've been candid with me, so I should be candid with you. I have an absolute inability to trust anyone. The only person I ever loved was my Uncle Henry, and I didn't contact him for the last 10 years of his life. I can't for the life of me think of why I stopped coming down here. I love this place. It's intoxicating.
그렇게 그 둘은 서로에 대한 마음을 확인하며 마침내 사랑을 나누게 되죠. 다음 날
I must go to work.
하룻밤을 함께하고 아쉬움 없이 자리를 뜨는 여자.
Do you know the reason why I spent the night with you? It is because once you have done what you came here to do, you will not return. There can be no future.
There is absolutely nothing stopping us from sitting at your cafe. London definitely needs a decent bistro. If only this place just doesn't suit my life.
It is your life that doesn't suit this place.
그녀의 설득에 어떠한 반론도 하지 못하고 결국 그렇게 그녀를 떠나보내야만 했죠.
We did quite well, didn't we?
Yeah, I don't think we did too badly considering on Log's report.
마침내 농장은 새 주인을 찾게 되고
I've been thinking perhaps I shouldn't sell.
At the moment, your whole body is covered in the eau de French girl.
평소 맥스답지 않는 행동에 그를 설득하는 찰리.
If you're gonna sell it, you gotta sign it.
또다시 회상에 잠기는데
Why is he singing to them, Uncle Henry?
Well, you see, Max, the terroir needs more than sun and rain. It needs harmony. It needs balance.
L'enfant se sent selon. You don't know what you are doing.
What are you talking about?
Here, le coin perdu.
사실 듀플러는 헨리와 함께 평생 일궈온 와인 농장을
My vines, Duflo.
맥스가 아무런 망설임 없이 팔아넘기려 하자 이에 분노하여 그동안 질 낮은 와인만을 내어주고
The enologue was paid to say that.
또한 감정사를 매수하면서까지
Very, very bad. I'm really sorry.
농장의 가치를 평가절하하여 그가 스스로 매각을 포기하길 바랐던 것이었죠.
I've already sold it.
And you have done the very thing your uncle feared you would. You have sold his spirit to the highest bidder, Max, and betrayed the only man who ever cared for him.
This one.
Ah, well chosen. Once you find something good, Max, you have to take care of it. You have to let it grow.
이제서야 모든 사실을 알게 된 맥스. 생각에 잠기며 펜을 들게 되고
What are you doing? You can't just leave.
Sure I can.
I seriously damaged the ends of my fingers.
Frostbitten.
Like your heart.
Bye, Charlie.
크리스티마저 이곳을 떠나려 하자 서둘러 그녀를 쫓아 책 한 권을 건네주는데
You do have his nose.
Of what kinds?
그 속에는 그동안 존재하지 않았던 헨리의 유언장이 담겨 있었죠.
Dear Max, I know it's been many years since we last spoke, but I found myself in a bit of a jam, and I'm afraid I need your help. The thing is, Max, old boy, I'm dying, and having always believed wills to be written invitations to the Reaper, I find myself impelled to impress upon your kindness. I have a daughter. Her name is Christy Roberts. Sadly, we have never met. Max, I should like you to find her. And to this end, I should like to leave her what is rightfully hers. And as successful as you are, you don't need it. I hope you understand. It is my heartfelt wish that Christy should share in that magic. After all, she and Lassie Rock are all I leave behind. Your loving uncle.
Your loving uncle.
사실 이 편지의 내용은 헨리의 필체로 쓴 맥스의 거진 유언장이었는데요.
Il y a un petit wrinkle.
마침내 농장 계약은 파기되고
Morning, lab rats.
모든 것을 포기한 채 다시 회사로 복귀한 맥스.
Sir Nigel's waiting for you.
사장과 대면하는데
While you've been on your little holiday, I've been in a shitstorm. You're one of the ballsiest traders in the square mile. But you've got to learn there are consequences to your sort of behavior.
그는 그동안의 공로와 과오를 모두 인정받아
You have 1 hour.
공동대표와 퇴사 중
Sir, shall I back my Smurfs?
한 가지만 선택 가능한 극단적인 제안을 받게 되죠. 고심에 빠진 맥스. 또다시 회상에 잠기는데
Look after Madame Chanel's daughter, Fanny, while I give her mother a tour of this.
You'll be good, Fanny.
Come now, Madame Chanel. There are many attractions here.
Now, what's it to be? The money or your life?
그렇게 시간이 지나고
Bonjour, vous avez choisi?
I think so.
Sure you don't need more time?
No, I know what I want.
So, what is it to be?
How's the soup?
The soup is finished.
Like my job. The fish?
We've run out.
That's like me with excuses.
Don't waste my time. Choose something we had.
I would like a lifetime spent with an irrational and suspicious goddess. Some short-tempered jealousy on the side, and a bottle of wine that tastes like you. A glass that's never empty.
결국 돈보다는 사랑하는 여자를 택한 남자.
Pardon mes lèvres. Elle trouve du plaisir dans les endroits les plus inattendus.
You remember when we were kids in the pool, Max?
그는 런던에서의 삶을 정리하고 농장으로 넘어와 샤넬, 크리스티 그리고 듀플러와 함께하는 행복한 모습으로 이렇게 영화는 끝이 납니다.